What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. Today we're taking a look at a memory card case. So this was actually a gift for me for Christmas to kind of help me organize my memory cards. I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a minute. So this is the Kiorafoto Professional Water Resistant Anti-Shock Holder Storage SDHC SDXC TF Memory Card Case Protector Cover with Carabiner for 12 SD cards and 12 micro SD cards. Now you can get this at Amazon.com for $8.99. It does come in different configurations here in different colors. I'll drop that link and different prices. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. But this is a nice compact card holder that's going to be durable, and it's going to keep your card safe because it is water and dust resistant. We'll look at a few of the features and details here. 12 cards, 12 micro SD cards, molded rubber interior lining, durable polycarbonate resin exterior with weather resistant seals to keep out water, dust, and debris. So link will be in the description, guys, if you want to pick this up. So here's the box. As you guys can see, very small. This is a little compact. And here's the back of it if you guys want to pause that and read it yourself. There it is. So let's jump into it and see what we got here. So here's the case. And here's the little carabiner clip. Let's get that out. Now, this has the accented red color here. So you guys follow me, you know, red. It's one of my favorite color I like for tech. So here's the carabiner, red and silver. You can use that. And here's the card holder, very hard on the outside of it. It's where you can attach your carabiner. Here's the inside of it. So you got your 12 micro SD card slots in the middle, and then you on the outside you got your where you can put your bigger cards right there. Very nice compact size, man. Just snaps, and as you guys can see in my hand, very small. So here's my current situation here. And I'm kind of embarrassed to show this, but this is what I've been keeping all of my cards in. Just a little thing like this. And so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get this organized. So my daughter actually bought this for me for Christmas. And I'm gonna show you guys, demo just how this looks here. So I got a couple of single cards here. And the single card, the micro cards go down in the bottom just like that. So you can get 12 of these in there, just like that. Easy to get your finger in there and take them out. So no issue right there. And then if you wanted to use the bigger card, they just snap. You can snap this over the top of this like that, or you can snap it in a different place. So gives you a lot of places to put your cards. Go ahead and get that in there. There it is, just like that. And this is easy to get out. So let me go ahead and do another one. This one actually has a card in it right here. And I have so many more of these that I'm gonna have to put in here. So this is a 8 gigabyte card. So drop it in just like that. And that's the look you get. They're in there and they're not gonna fall out. Nice, neat look here. Compact, and just what I need to organize my cards. So the carabiner, if you want to hook it up, just hook it there. Keep it moving. I'm not going to use it because it's going to be in my bag anyway. So, all right, guys, the link will be in the description for this. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.